Hey everyone, it's Andy from Power Mining, and today we're going to be setting up the Bitaxe Gamma Node. We're going to go through the whole setup process following the manual step by step. So just follow along and let's set it up. Now let's go through the first step in the manual, which is to download the files that you will need for your Raspberry Pi. So if you go on our website, shop.powermining.io, and we go to the section of shop, and then you will have to click on Bitaxe Gamma Node. You scroll down just a little bit, click show more right here, and then search for downloads for Umbrel OS. Now you're going to download the image file. I'm going to save that to device. And then after that, you're going to download the Balena etcher, okay? And you're going to go here, and based on what type of system you are using, either it's a MacBook or a Windows or a Linux, you're gonna select the download for that system. Now I'm gonna tell you, if you have a MacBook with an M1 chip or higher, you're gonna choose this right over here, which is ARM64. And if you have a Mac device with an Intel chip, a little bit of a older computer, then you're gonna choose the X64. So download those two files. We're going to go and start the next step. Now the next step is to put the SD card into your computer. Step number 3, install and open the Balena Etcher app. Press Flash, then select Flash from File and select Umbrel OS Pi 5 image file. Press Select Target and choose the SD card, then press Flash. Now, take out your SD card from your computer and insert it into the Raspberry Pi. Then take the Ethernet cable, insert that as well, and the other end into your Wi-Fi router. Now take the Raspberry Pi's power supply and connect to power. Step number 6. Now, after about 5 minutes of powering on the node, you can access the OS web interface by typing in your browser umbrel.local, or if that doesn't work, you can download any IP scanner app on the internet and scan the devices that are connected to your Wi-Fi, and you should see the Umbrel IP address. Then you can copy paste that into the browser and access the OS web interface. Now it's time to create your Umbrel OS user account. After that, open the Bitcoin Node app in the Umbrel OS. Then click install and wait for installation to complete. After that, open Bitcoin Node app and start syncing. Now this last step may take up to 24 hours or more because remember, it's syncing up with the blockchain, downloading a lot of data, and well, these things just take time. So be patient and just wait it out. Now let's connect your Bitaxe Gamma to the node. Okay, now the first thing you will have to do is download the public pool app. Now you're going to be able to find this in the App Store. So go in the App Store, and it's either going to be in popular demand section, or if it's not there, then just search right here on top. And after that, you're going to open the app, and well, this information is exactly what we need. Now, open up a new tab and enter the IP address that you see on your Bitaxe Gamma. So I'm just going to enter the IP address right over here. And the Bitaxe dashboard will open up. Now, go to the pool settings and change the Stratum host in the primary pool. And also change the Stratum port. So, what does that mean? That means you go back a tab before and copy umbrel.local, put it in the Stratum host, and for the port, you just copy or just write down this 2018. Enter that, and then for the fallback pool, just leave it at default settings. Then press save, restart, and now usually everything should be fine, and you should be connected to your node. But sometimes something goes wrong, and it will show that it is using a fallback pool. That means we have to use a different method. Now, if you go back in the OS web interface of umbrel.local, you will press on this right here, settings, and you're gonna copy the local IP address, and you're gonna be entering that in Stratum host. You're gonna delete the umbrel.local and just paste the IP address. Now, after all of that, just be sure to scroll down, press save, restart, and then after a little while, we're gonna go now back to the dashboard, wait a little bit, the Bitaxe is gonna restart, and you're gonna see that it's gonna start hashing in just a couple of minutes. You can also check if this IP address is the same one that you just entered in the pool settings. Just can see and double check. And yeah, you should be up and running and everything should be set up correctly. Now, another safety check to know for sure if everything is working. Go back to the Umbrel Web OS and click on Public Pool and scroll down just a little bit, and you're gonna see here is online devices, and under that should be a Bitaxe listed. That means it's currently working and everything is going fine. So you've just set up your own Bitcoin node with a Bitaxe. I hope you find a block and well, you can now approve it with your own node. Well, good luck and see you next time.